Picture yourself in the 2008 Chevrolet Malibu. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Malibu, the sophisticated four-door midsize that blends luxury and efficiency with safety and sporty handling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, alarm, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror. Delight in the drive while advanced technology protects and entertains your most precious cargo. Get into the Malibu.